been on the road for quite some time now. But your journey is far from over. You know that there's always a new road to conquer. You might know where you are going, but you don't know when things can take a sudden turn. And on this journey of your life, you always have to be ready for the dangerous bumps ahead. Prado and Sons, the pioneer in armoring and the leader in in-transit protection in the Philippines since 1985, is safeguarding your businesses and investments, your dreams, and your most precious riches, your and your family's life. Protecting you from dangers caused by road rage, from road accidents, and from crimes. Prado and Sons, trusted by the experts in safety and security, is the team behind the world-class armored vehicles and luxury cars of jewelers and pawn shop owners. The military, bankers, lawyers, doctors, business owners, and the elite group of luxury car owners. The beauty of every Prado and Sons armored vehicle and luxury car is not just seen on the outside, but is more evident on how it keeps you safe inside. Now, with a luxury car armored by Prado and Sons, you can safely drive your way to more success. Guarantee your safety in the future with guaranteed car safety features. Contact Prado and Sons now.